everyone, how are you doing? So I'm at the Las Vegas Strip and I really want to show you this world famous street. Have a look and enjoy. This is the strip. You have all the major casinos here. Like, let's start with this. This is Treasure Island. Then you have Palazzo and Wynn on the other side. Let's go a little bit further. I want to show you the exact Palazzo building. So that's Wynn. That's Treasure Island. Just to help you, if you're visiting Vegas, this is Palazzo. Beautiful, isn't it? And then I'll show you a few more casinos. Okay, and let's have a look on the street meanwhile. So you will see a lot of LEDs on the street. It's the most happening place. It is called as the Strip. You will see some musicians who are playing on the streets. That's Mirage. I love Palazzo when Venetian to stay. Definitely there are a lot of other very nice resorts as well. But let's have a look at the Venetian, which is at this Paris. That is also nice. I like that too much. So this is Venetian. This is based on the theme of Italy. So usually all these casinos are based on some or other themes like Italy, Paris, Greece. So this is Venetian. It's very pretty from inside. They have restaurants, shops, rooms, pools, you name it. You have so much. And then this is how it is from this side. That's Treasure Island. Okay, so now let's go a little bit further, and there's some construction going on here. You'll see a lot happening here these days. New Year and of course Thanksgiving, they are very much popular. Like, a lot of people will be here. This time you see that there are less people on the road, like less foot storm. Today is Saturday, but still there are less people as compared to what they are on the New Year time. So see how pretty this is. This is a very, very beautiful city, I would say. Of course, casinos, I forgot. There are a lot of people who come here to play casinos. So that's the Mirage. You will see there on the back, that red building on the back, that's Concord Hilton. That's a hotel as well. And let's go a little bit ahead. I would love to show you around. Hope it helps you to plan your next Vegas trip, where you want to stay, what you want to do, and how does this most popular street looks like. There is one more street, that is the Fremont Street, that is called as the Fremont Street Experience. So definitely you can go there as well for some time. Usually people go there later in the evening because they have a lot of music and bands.
When I walk through that door tonight,
I'm having a very nice evening walk after a very delicious pizza which I had in the Venetian at an Italian restaurant. Some advertisements. There are a lot of shows in the city throughout the days, and I'm going to one show that is Awakening tonight. That is in the Wynn Casino. So yeah, that's my plan. See, this is the Mirage. I want to show you Caesar's Palace in Bellagio before I end this video. So stay with me. I know it's a 5 minutes video all the way. Trying to keep it short, and I always want to help the travelers like me who want to travel. So that's Caesar Palace, that red. They're getting closer. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes more of a walk. But this is the Mirage. They have this musical fountain at the Bellagio. So I have added a video of the musical fountain earlier. This is the strip. We'll see all kind of shops here. Lot of tourists, of course. Love this.
Right away. You don't even need to leave your seat.
Let's walk a little bit quickly.
Player payback rewards for card and slot play are all about second chances.
So I just want to show you two more famous casinos here, which are like my favorite. There are a lot of them though, but I want to show you my favorite places. So you can buy these tickets here for the shows and adventures. And I went to the Zion National Park. So I got the ticket online though from Viator. But you can bargain buy it from here too. And you can ask for discounts and they might give you as well. So while we're getting closer to the Caesar's Palace, this is already 7 minutes walk, but let's see. So this is the Forum. So that is another casino here. The Forum shop, Caesar's Palace. I'm going to Bellagio. They have a very nice decoration inside near to lobby, so I'm gonna see that, and definitely ending this video after I show you the Caesar's Palace building. So that's Caesar's Palace. You see on the right hand side, so that is Caesar's Palace. Let's go from this side. They have a public transport and buses here too. So I think these people are waiting for that. This is the LED screen. And I'll show you from here so that we don't have a very long video here. So that is Caesar's Palace there. Right? So that is also a very popular place for me. This is the Forum shops. This is the Forum. So that's Mirage. That side is Treasure Island and Palazzo and Venetian. And of course if you go a little bit further you'll have Paris that has the theme of Paris.